Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to activate a Steam key on Steam. So let's get into it. Open up your Steam and go up here to your games. After you have done that, you have this option, activate a product on Steam. You click on this and now this opens up. So if you've got your Steam key, just enter the code that you've got right here, and after you've done that, click on confirm. When you've done that, if everything was done well, you should have your game or whatever you've activated using the Steam key in your library. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.